What's up, everyone? Martinez here from Mighty Networks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post. Yes, you can schedule a post inside of Mighty Network. Here's how. So just like as you're writing a post inside of a Mighty Network, you can type something here. And instead of clicking on the post button, you can click on this down arrow, and this brings up another tab that says schedule a post. You click on that. This brings up a modal where you can either set it for a post now or set it for a later day. And then from there, you put in the date and time and you click save. Now, all of the scheduled posts will show up in your network settings. So if you click on your profile picture here and go all the way down to scheduled post, you'll be able to see all of the posts that's scheduled inside of your Mighty Network. And there's also a special tab for all of the posts that you've had particularly scheduled inside of your Mighty Network. So that's it. Very easy way to schedule your post.